So how long have you been meditating?
For me, I just started last month, I'm quite new beginner.
Very good, very good.
한 달쯤 되셨답니다.
Questions rather than practical.
Say again?
I have more theoretical questions rather than practical questions about PM.
Well, that's okay. Any kind of question.
네, 어떤 뭐 체험보다도 좀 이론적인 것을 물어보겠답니다.
Mr. Brooks,
Yes.
you want to ask me now or later?
You can ask a question now if you have some questions.
Yeah, I have some questions. Well, let me start with two questions. First, how does the pure consciousness of PM is deeper or similar to the unconsciousness mentioned by Sigmund Freud, the psychologist?
프로이드가 말하는 그 무의식하고 순수의식은 무슨 차이가 있냐 이런 질문을 먼저 하셨어요.
I'm not an expert in Sigmund Freud, so I'm not sure what his understanding is of subconscious or consciousness or anything. So I can only speak about the experience of pure consciousness and what that means and what the significance of it is.
그래서 이제 프로이드의 그 무의식은 본인이 사실은 그가 무엇을 그 무의식이라고 정확히 얘기했는지 좀 잘 모릅니다. 그렇지만 순수의식이 무엇인지에 대해서 우선 제가 한번 말씀을 드리겠습니다.
But all thought that we have comes from that field of pure consciousness. It is the source of thought. It's an infinite reservoir of energy and intelligence that lies deep within us all at the subtlest level of the thinking process.
일단 그 순수의식은 생각의 근원이고 또 그것이 모든 에너지와 지성의 근원입니다. 그래서 누구나 사실은 그 순수의식을 가지고 있고 거기로부터 우리가 생각을 합니다.
So when we experience transcendental consciousness in the practice of transcendental meditation, we experience all the different levels of the mind. So whatever level of the mind Sigmund Freud was speaking about, then we would experience that on the way to transcend that transcendental field, that field of pure consciousness.
그래서 우리가 이제 순수의식을 체험하려면 거기까지 가는 과정에서 여러 단계의 의식을 체험을 하게 되는데 그럼으로써 사실은 우리는 초월을 했다는 것은 그 프로이드가 말한 그런 어떤 의식 과정을 분명히 우리가 체험을 하고 넘어갔다는 얘기입니다.
You know, during the process of you can see my screen?
I can see your face, not the screen. Okay, okay, I can see it.
You can see this screen.
스크린 보이시죠?
So you can see this chart here shows on the left the physical creation, the different levels of physics that we know about.
왼쪽은 우리가 이제 물리적 세계를 보여주고 있습니다.
Classical level, quantum mechanical level, sub-quantum mechanical level, then that unified field level.
하나의 어떤 물리학의 고전적인 영역, 또 양자역학적인 영역, 보다 더 깊은 층, 그 다음에 통일장 이런 식으로 층을 보여주죠.
This corresponds to the different levels of the mind that you see on the right.
자, 거기에 상하는 우리의 마음의 또 영역이 있습니다. 우측이 그것을 보여줍니다.
There's the surface thinking level of the mind, and then there are quieter and quieter levels of the thinking process. We go all the way down to we experience that field of pure consciousness that is beyond thinking. It is the unified field level of the mind.
그래서 마음의 어떤 표면적 층으로부터 더 깊은 층을 이렇게 단계적으로 체험을 해서 그 모든 층을 넘어서 순수의식의 마음이 이룹니다.
So as we transcend the different levels of the mind, we experience different levels of the different more quiet levels of consciousness. And this must be one of these levels of consciousness that is the field that Sigmund Freud was speaking about.
그래서 우리가 이제 여러 마음의 층을 경험해 감에 따라서 우리가 의식의 더 깊은 고유한 영역을 체험하는데, 그 과정에서 프로이드가 얘기한 그 의식의 층을 분명히 경험하고 넘어간다고 봅니다.
Does that answer your question?
Well, I need further explanation, but let me move to my second question.
Okay.
일단 두 번째 질문을
But just
넘어가겠습니다.
because you mentioned about the group practice, right?
Yes.
Yes. Well, another psychologist, Charles Jung, he mentioned group consciousness. You heard about it? Group consciousness.
집단 의식이란 말을 쓰는데요. 그룹 컨셔스너스.
How does the TM's group practice differ or similar to that of a group unconsciousness mentioned by Charles Jung?
칼륨 mentioned
칼륨.
This is one of the famous.
Yes, I know.
He mentioned kind of group consciousness.
Yeah. I'm not familiar with the works of Carl Jung in detail. I am not a student of psychology. I am a teacher of transcendental meditation, and I understand very deeply the effects of group practice of TM and TMCD program on the collective consciousness. Now, whether that collective consciousness is the same collective consciousness that Carl Jung was speaking about, I do not know. But how we know the effects of the group practice on the collective consciousness of society, we know from scientific research that has been done in over 50 studies on the group practice of TM and TMCD program.
그래서 이제 칼융의 그 심리학에 관한 어떤 학도가 아니기 때문에 그 부분도 정확하게는 그가 무엇을 집단의식이라고 했는지는 모르지만, 일단 이제 TM 교사로서 이 개인의식과 집단의식에 관한 그 지식, 그리고 그것이 집단의식에 미치는 효과에 대해서는 좀 설명을 드리고 싶습니다.
Talk a little bit about the unified field and the transcending.
Is that, I know, I'm not sure I'm answering your question, but I can't really speak too much about Carl Jung because I'm not an expert in that. If you would like, I can go in more detail about the studies that have been done on the group practice of the TM and TMCD program and its effects on society and the environment.